Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to merge PDF file in Android. So first of all, go to Google search option. Before start video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Search here to I love PDF. Select this website. Select the first option, merge PDF. Select PDF file. I'm selecting. Tap onto plus icon and then finally click onto merge PDF. That's ready for download. Click onto download merge PDF, then successfully download your merge PDF file in your gallery. So that's how you can do it.